Guys, I'm here with a review on, I guess it's Leafu modelones gel polish kit. I'm only unboxing first. So I'm opening up the box. Okay. This is what all comes in the box. Empty. Okay, first off we have the operating instructions. Um, and we have the modelones. I guess a little booklet. Just tells you how to use some of their products. We have like a little, just a little piece of paper showing, I guess, if you have any problems or concerns. And a little coupon code in the back to get 15% off. Okay. First, I'm going to show you the lamp. It comes with, oh, okay. I'm sorry. And we have this. It's a, hey, apply the color gel here, cure the gel, and paste it on your nail bottles as a color mark. Okay, I might use this. And a product safety notice. Okay. It comes with this LED UV lamp, 24 watts, which I have so many lamps. But hey, when you're in the nail world, I guess you can never not have too many. I'm going to use some of the products for you guys see the color and see how this lamp works. So I'm going to use this lamp. This is like a motion lamp. This is all what comes in the little baggie. Gonna pull everything out. We have your matte top coat. Base coat. Top coat. Steel top coat. Comes with a brush. Cuticle trimmers. Toe spreader. Fingernail clippers. Cuticle oil. I'm sorry, cuticle treatment, cuticle oil. Guess it can be the same thing. I don't know. Gel polish removal pads. More removal gel pads. Isopro alcohol 70%. Models 1 file, two-sided. 100 and 180 grit nail file. And a cuticle pusher. So that's all that came in this little goodie pack and goodie bag. Okay, now I'm going to show you guys some of the colors. I purchased this set from Amazon, which for about like $57. I say it's not a bad bargain at all for what all it comes with. And here go are the polishes. Leafu modelones UV LED gel nail polish collection. Cute little box. Okay. We have Model 1 10, 14. We have 1541. You can see the colors. They got the colors actually right here. I don't know if you guys can actually see it. We have 1011. 1543. 1016. And last but not least, 1013. So it comes with 6 gel polishes, a base coat, a top coat, and a matte coat too as well. So that's not bad. So I'm gonna try the first color with you all, and I'm gonna try this so I can label them. The first one I'm gonna try is 1013. Real nice color, and it looks like it's some nice gel polish. Okay. I'm gonna actually do some swatches too for you guys. We're gonna let this dry and do a second coat. Did a flash cure. That was 10, 13. Now we're gonna try 10, 11. This is a lovely color, kind of like a peachy pink. Next color we're gonna try is 1541. This is like a smoke gray. Next we're gonna try 1014. These are some nice colors. I love them already so far. This is like light lilac, purple. Next we have 1016. This is like a light peach. And the last is 1543. Do a flash cure. There are some nice colors, guys. I'm gonna do some swatches so you can see the colors better.